Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TikTok video settings for best quality in CapCut detailed guide. Open the CapCut app on your device. Import your TikTok video into CapCut. Tap on the video in the timeline to select it. Navigate to the bottom menu and select Edit. Find the resolution option in the settings. Choose 1080p for high-quality video output. Next, locate the frame rate setting. Select 60 frames per second for smoother motion. Now, scroll to the brightness adjustment. Increase the brightness slightly if the video appears dark. Proceed to the contrast setting. Adjust the contrast to enhance the video's visual appeal. Next, find the saturation option. Boost the saturation for more vibrant colors. Now, navigate to the sharpness setting. Increase sharpness to give your video a crisper look. Once your adjustments are complete, preview the video. Make any final tweaks as necessary. Afterward, tap on Export in the top right corner. Select the video format suitable for TikTok. Choose the highest quality option available. Begin the export process. Once done, open the TikTok app. Upload your newly edited video from CapCut. Review the video before posting to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, add any additional effects or captions as desired on TikTok. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.